Hello, my name is Corey, and today we will be discussing how to create a collision entity in 3ds Max. Now what we want to do to start off with is create a plane. This will be the collision point. Have a Tyflow icon. Let's bring it up here. And also have something that will act as the object that has the collision. So in this case, let's make it a sphere. Now that we have the plays in the thing, what we want to do is click on the Tyflow, move over to the modify list, and then click Open Editor. Now, what we want to do is get the birth. What we want to do now is click the shape button. And we don't want the triangle, we want the shape that we selected. So we click on the sphere we did, and then we add selected. Now it's referencing that sphere. Now what we want to do is remove the triangle, and that'll be done. We might also need a PhysX shape. Here we go. We might want to maybe display the hull. Max vertices seems alright. The size multiplier should be alright. Maybe reduce this to about 0 and 0. We don't want to override the mass, just keep it as is, and that should be alright. Now we also want to add a force into this, so click force, drag it up here, and then using this inbuilt gravity, just set that to -1. And that'll add the vector, and that'll also change that to gravity. We also want the collision to hit the plane, so we get the PhysX collision, and then we will click that, add that, and it'll use that as the plane. Have that as geometry. And we should be good to go. Now we'll start from the start. Maybe move this a bit. And watch it go. And there we go. That's how to simulate collision in 3ds Max using Tyflow. Thank you.